Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change various Gmail chat settings. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to select this setting gear icon and select see all settings. In here you just need to select chat and meet and chat setting. If you not able to see this chat setting and meet setting, you just need to make sure chat is set to Google Chat and Meet is set to show the Meet section in the main menu. And after doing this both changes, you just need to select Save Changes, and the Save Changes take effect. After that, you just need to come to the Chat and Meet section, and after that you can able to see the chat setting and meet setting guys. After that, click on Manage Chat Settings. In here you can allow the chat notification as well, opening chat bubbles for new messages assembly appear automatically, and if you want to those chat bubbles to open up in full screen, and you can also select the notification sound. Click on this drop down and select the sound you want it, and after selecting it you just need to scroll down. You can set do not disturb schedules, time you can edit it, and you can block a certain users by clicking on manage block users, and you just need to add the user you want to block and scroll down. This autocorrect is useful for auto spell correct the grammar. You just need to make sure it is check mark over here and select done. And that's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like you guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.